This brand new website will mine Bitcoin for you automatically and for absolutely free, and will get you Bitcoin every 2 minutes. The sign up process takes less than 60 seconds, and you know that Bitcoin is currently on its highest rise, and what Bitcoin is literally worth nearly $50,000. According to Glassnode.com, Bitcoin could be worth more than $200,000 in the next few years. So on this video, I will show you how you can set this passive income machine and let these free apps mine your Bitcoin on autopilot so you can make money without doing any work yourself. But since this process might be confusing, you must watch this entire video and don't skip anything if you want to set it up properly and if you really want to make this work. I've actually gone out there for this strategy from one of my mentors that talked about this in his latest video. Okay, so before we begin in this step-by-step tutorial, I just want to show you that Bitcoin is currently worth over $40,000. So you should definitely take advantage of this and get a slice of that huge buy of income by following all the steps from this video. Make sure that you follow all the steps and you will be able to get results from this strategy. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to give you a free training so you can make income online selling high ticket products. And if you combine it with today's strategy, you could invest some of your earnings into more Bitcoin. So with any more delay, let me take you to the computer and let's begin the step number 1, which will be to set up your crypto wallet. Okay, so the first step for today's strategy, I want you to come to a website which is called coinmarketcap.com. And as you can see here, you can see that the price of Bitcoin is already $46,000, and the projections, according to Glassnode.com, it will be over $100 to $250 over the next few years. As you can see, Ethereum, that a couple of months ago it was $1,000 worth, now it's $3,000 worth, and it's gonna keep continuing because cryptocurrencies are the future. So for instance, I want you to listen closely to today's strategy because I'm gonna show you a few ways where you can start earning Bitcoin for free, and this will be the best investment in your future because you can accumulate it, and once that the value can keep going up, you can cash it out, get your earnings, and just enjoy the process. You know, come to different websites and get Bitcoin for free. So the first website I want to show you is called blockchain.com. It's a cryptocurrency wallet where you can actually sign up and just have your crypto wallet, and this is where you're gonna store the amount of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies you buy. You're gonna store them on this wallet. Another wallet that I want to share with you is Exodus. It's another wallet that I actually use a couple of wallets, and some of them, most of them, they work similarly, but as you can see, the interface will be different. And Exodus is one of my favorites, so come check it out. It's compatible with your iOS or with your Android phone, and it's very easy to set it up. So two websites, first is blockchain.com and the other one is exodus.com. So that's step number 1. You want to set up your crypto wallet, and the reason why is because you're gonna get the Bitcoin that you earn and you're gonna put it into your wallet, okay? And then the next website I want to share with you is called faucetpay.com, and basically here is another wallet that allows you to get to transfer micropayments, and it's an earning platform receiving instant cryptocurrency payments to thousands of websites, and you can withdraw this to your personal wallet. And the most important thing is you will be charged a very low fee. You have to keep in mind that when you actually get your earnings from Bitcoin, or you transfer different cryptocurrencies between different networks, some of them they might charge you a high fee. So here I'm here to try to bring you the best information so you can actually make an informed decision where you can maximize your profit. So if you check out faucetpay.io, you'll be able to get paid in from different cryptocurrencies, and as well you'll be paid very little commission. Okay, so as you can see, multiple cryptocurrencies or platforms support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and so on. Offer wall survey tasks. So that means that all the strategies that I share with you on the channel, where you can earn from different websites, you can easily connect it here, and from there you can connect it to your wallet, where you're gonna store and save your profits. Okay, so that's the second step. Come to ForcePay.io and set up this so you can get paid from all the different websites. Okay, and the first website which I like to share with you, where we're gonna get a lot of money, is called spreadcrypto.com. I must say that you're gonna get money from playing different games on this platform. However, you won't be able to get as much money as you will be able to get from other platforms. Okay, so as you can see here, multiple ways to generate coins in with giveaway for active users, refer and earn up, and so on. So if you wait until the end of the video, I'm gonna show you different websites where you can actually earn much more money. Okay, so the next website I want to share is autofacet.org, and here is another website where you're gonna come, you're gonna sign up, you're gonna start doing tasks and mining, playing games, and you're gonna gain money. Okay, you can have a look at the different features. You can get as well a 20% referral bonus. It gives you instant withdrawal, and then it's as simple as signing up. You can have a look at what different tasks they have. If you click in task, you know, so you can have a look, further read, and then you can see as well it has got mining categories, so it gives you the option to mine Bitcoin and get paid for it. You can see here, start now to end with mining, and then you know you can actually play games as well, and with the games you're gonna get paid as well. Okay, so once that you sign up, you know, it will ask you for your name, email address, and so on. The layout will look like this. You will sign up, and then here you will be able to, you know, get to, well, the games actually here is a different feature that is going to be coming soon, but here you can see where you can withdraw, you can select the different Bitcoins that you're going to be getting. So basically you're going to get money in different cryptocurrencies, so it will display over here, and then you can just come to the website, you know, and go through different categories, and then you can see that there are different tasks that you need to take in order to start earning your tokens and your Bitcoin. Okay, so I would highly recommend you to come to the platform, explore it, and as I said, this is not one website that will make you thousands and thousands of money. However, you will be able to earn cryptocurrency, and trust me, any cryptocurrency that you earn in today's age, it will be multiplied the benefits in the next coming years. Okay, so I pass you to check it out. Come to this website to start doing the tasks and start earning Bitcoin. And the final website which I would like to share, but keep watching until the end of the video, because after this I want to share something else with you, very valuable. So the next website is called Final Autoclaim, and this website actually you're gonna make more money than the other website that I've shown you so far. So it will be as simple as coming to a website. You can have a read through. It says this site allows you to claim many different types of cryptocurrencies in a single tap, and the most important thing, you don't have to do anything. It can run by itself. You have to register, enter your crypto address, and choose the cryptocurrencies you want to claim. So one more thing that I have to mention is, like, once that you sign up with your Faucet Pay, you will add the address, this address, you will connect it to your Bitcoin wallet, either Exodus, blockchain.com, or other crypto wallet that you want to actually use, but you will need to connect this, so when the funds goes into this website, you know, it can easily be connected and transferred to Exodus or to your wallet, whatever wallet you're using. Anyway, so going back, you know, you need to sign up. You can see all the coins available here. Once you register, the layout interface is gonna look like this, and here is gonna give you the option to get Bitcoin every couple of minutes. You know, you can select from all different coins, but I will advise you that the coins that you should concentrate more is either Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so here when it says refresh each, you can see where it's gonna do automatically for you on, you know, every couple of minutes. You know, so it's better that instead of doing every minute, that is very fast, you can select 2 minutes to start with, and then you can choose which Bitcoin you want to claim, and that's it. You know, you will start claiming Bitcoin right away. You know, you need to put the answer here, you know, to make sure that you are not a robot. And then you click on start, and you see, you know, your progress to be in level 2, and you know, your coins are gonna be mined here, and this is where you're gonna get your Bitcoin automatically, you know. So you just need to leave this tab open and just come back every few minutes, you know, make sure that it's actively working, and then once that you get different levels, you'll be able to see the amount that you have claimed over here, and you'll be able to upgrade your level. Okay, but this website actually is gonna make you more money than the other websites, right? But if you put all the websites together, then you know you're gonna even make more money. Okay, so as I say, this is the website that I highly recommend. I recommend all of them, but this is the one that you will make the most money, you know. But as well, sign up with the others so you can combine the all of them, and they make more money, you know. And this, you're gonna make this in autopilot. Okay, so yeah, this is the way how you're gonna be able to claim different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the different coins that you can actually see in this website. So yeah, this is all for today's strategy. As you can see, very simple. You just need to connect your wallets, make sure that you have a wallet where you can save your cryptocurrencies. Then you go to a different website which called FastPay, where it allows you to transfer from this website to this website. Okay guys, and once that you do that, you start getting your Bitcoin. So the time is now, before the price of Bitcoin skyrockets to the moon, which is gonna do in the next couple of years for sure. It's time for you to start getting Bitcoin now, so you can earn passively and then have that money, which is gonna be an investment for you that you will be able to cash out on the next coming month or years. You know, obviously the more that you leave it and the more that you are patient with it, the more Bitcoin is gonna grow. You know, Bitcoin is never gonna stop growing. It's always gonna continue growing. It's a new technology that we're living with right now, and it's gonna revolutionize everything. You know, it's growing to 250% per year. No other thing has ever grown this fast before. You know, not even the internet. You know, you never have seen such a massive return with Bitcoin, and it's gonna continue. So take advantage of today's strategy. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed today's strategy, and if you did, please give me a huge like, because it will help me to keep able to show you videos like this on the latest strategies on how to make money online, so you can achieve the financial freedom that you deserve. Okay, because you deserve to be a millionaire, and here I'm focus. You know, my goal is to help you to make money online, because my goal is to help 1 million people to become millionaires, and I won't stop until this is accomplished. Okay guys, so I hope that you like today's strategy, and additionally, if you want to learn other strategies on how to make thousands and thousands of dollars online, I have left a link into the description. It's the first link into the description. Check it out. It's a free training to get everything that you need to get started selling high ticket products, and then this money that you make monthly, that you wanna make thousands and thousands of dollars, you will be able to invest on other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin in this case, or Ethereum, or so on. Okay, so as I said, first link into the description, free training for you to get started. Watch the intro video, and I'm sure you know you'll be doing very well, because it's something that I've actually done. It helps me, you know, so that's why I share it with you. Okay, so first link in the description, click on it, sign up, and start learning how to make thousands of dollars making high ticket commissions. Okay, so I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I will see you soon. Peace out guys.